what's up guys, and welcome to this episode of Eddie's Customs and Restorations. So unfortunately for the past week or so, I've been driving without AC in my car, in my Camaro, my 2015 Camaro. So this repair will apply to 2010 through 2015 Camaros if your AC is not working. Okay, so let me show you the problem. I'm gonna turn the key forward. We'll let everything light up. Now, look what happens when I try to make any sort of selection on my climate controls. Nothing works, not even the heated seats. No selection that I try on here is working, okay? So, real quick backstory as to what I did. It doesn't mean that you have to do something similar to this to screw this up like I did. This can happen by, the part going bad in itself. So just because you didn't do what I just did or what I did doesn't mean that this is not your problem. If you're seeing a very similar symptom to this where nothing is working, there is a high likelihood that what happened here is that the control module for the climate controls or the HVAC controls, that module is more than likely fried. So the way I fried my module was because I was trying to give my car a boost because my battery had completely died. My brake light stayed on because my brake light switch was bad. So it completely killed my battery. And when I was trying to slow charge my battery charger was not letting me. So I had to put it on a 200 amp boost. And I ended up leaving it like that because I completely forgot about it. I left it like that for over 5 minutes. And then I came back to the car and I fired it up and I noticed that I had this problem. And that automatically told me I must have fried the module. So I'm going to take you through the process of changing out the module, and no, it is not behind this right here. It is actually over there. So we are now on the passenger side of the car, and we're going to start off by pulling up on this plastic right here. Okay. And you don't have to completely take it off. You just need to pull it up like that. Excuse my little Chloe, my little shop doggy. Get off. So now you're going to go on lifting this seal off like that. All you got to do is pull it off like that. It's not difficult to do. And let me turn the flash on here. The next thing to do is you're going to remove this panel right here. And all you got to do is pull up on it. Okay. And there's some clips on the back side of this. Okay. So those are the clips. You got one up there. And then you got another two down here. And that's where they go. One right there, one there, and another one up here. The reason you're taking this panel off is so that you can get access to removing this one. This is the one that you mainly need to remove. You saw what I did there. I just put my finger back here, pulled it straight back, and then come back under here where we first started. And then there's another clip right here which pulls straight up. So if you grab it like that, you pull straight up. And sometimes it doesn't. There you go. There you go. Okay, so that guy's out now. We're gonna go straight out with it. Okay, and here I pulled this panel up again. You see I ended up popping it up from this one too. Okay, so now that gives me a lot of room here to where I can get this guy out from under here, because it keeps getting stuck. All right, and you don't want to scratch up your panels. So be very careful as you're removing them. Okay. So now we're down here. And right here, you see that right there? That is your climate control module. You have this plastic right here. It's a little leg. You're going to push up like that. And then you're going to pull straight out, and then you just let it drop pretty much. Okay. So you basically get it away from that little leg, and then you can just simply drop it down and it comes out. Once you're here, there's these connectors back here, and they have a little leg right there. I'm trying to show you the operation of them. All right. And then this one, the black one, also has the same thing. It has a little arm. The black one generally is the most challenging to remove, but you gotta hold on to the whole harness, and then you're gonna push on this. You're gonna push in, and then you're gonna pull out, and you're gonna wiggle side to side. Not the best of view, but hopefully you can see there. This is what I'm doing. Wiggle side to side, and at the same time pushing on that lever. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna push and then wiggle side to side. I really hope that came out. So here's my old one and here's my new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect. Same process, literally the exact same. You want to make sure you click. You hear that? That, my friends, is a very good sign, because now you're hearing all the operation of everything in the AC system. So without pausing or anything on the video, without cutting anything out, let's test this out and see where we're at. What do you know? You could even see the air. So you see, let me turn the light off here. There we go. See, now everything's working. See, everything 100% is working again. All right, I'm gonna shut the key off, turn my flash back on, and let's button this back up now that we got the new piece in there. Which is going to be very challenging to do on camera, because I could barely fit in here to begin with. So you want to make sure you clip the top side first. You kind of want to like push like that. You want to push the whole module. You want to push it like that. And once you have it hooked up, then you're going to go up, and then you're going to push this side in. So this part first, and then clip the bottom, and there it's on. And now we simply put our plastics back on. Let me get rid of that there. Sorry if my camera work's not the best, guys, but I'm trying here. And then we put this back in. There's a little groove where it all falls into. See, it goes in here where it's all greasy and stuff. That's where it goes, like that. Repair complete. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. You guys have a good one. Until next time.